I got off the phone a short bit ago with an attorney that I placed in Seattle, Washington in January of this past year. And it was really exciting to hear where she's at, that the firm certainly does put its money where its mouth is, that it has a great mentorship program, definitely something that's important for any law firm's succession plan to create future leaders and perhaps future clients if they go in-house, which most of the attorneys in this firm either go on to become partners or go in-house. So yes, it's astounding and great. And I was really excited to talk with her about that. The thing that she was looking for on top of mentorship, however, was an opportunity to go from a very small niche area of litigation, which actually right now is in decently high demand, and do that plus broaden the commercial litigation work, broaden into commercial litigation work. She wanted to do more. And certainly she is now breaking down her work by about 50% of the niche that she started with and 50% of general commercial litigation. And one thing I shared with her was, and this is a tip that every attorney, associate to partner, should bear in mind, and just it makes it easier for you as you go, and it seems like an extra step, but it really is important for your career, whether or not you are interested in lateraling, progressing forward in your firm, or presenting your CV to your client. And that is to have a place where you keep all of the litigation you've worked on handy. And that is, you could do that in a spreadsheet, you could do that in a document. And when you do, break it down by area of practice and also the type of industry that you're working in. So, for example, you're an associate or a partner and you are wooing a new client, perhaps maybe let's just say the tech industry. Ideally, you can have all of your stuff easily broken down by the type of work that you've done for that industry to present to them super easily. The other way this works is if you were, for example, wanting to, now you've gone into commercial lit and identified an area that you want to get into more specifically, perhaps you want to just focus on securities litigation. You can have all that securities litigation, whether or not it's for banking or for any other type of industry more broadly available to you easily in one document to present to your client or to a law firm, whoever is going to hire you, whether it's a client or a law firm or a company that you're applying to generally. So that's my fun tip for the attorney I just placed a couple months ago, who is now finding herself able to do all sorts of really cool litigation that she wanted to try. And for the rest of you,